welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. Today we're back with another video. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am going to be doing some styles for you guys. These are going to be like my go-to styles. Like, these are the styles where like I don't really have to think much. I don't have to like, I just get up, like if I'm in the mood to style my hair, I just literally just do those styles, and they're kind of like my go-to, the ones that I will, you know, I most likely will do, you know, often than other hairstyles. All right, so what you're gonna be needing, of course, is a scrunchie. You guys, I'm sorry about the light. The sun is like, I'm literally across from my window and there's sunlight outside, but hopefully the quality is not too bad. Anyways, what you're gonna need is literally just a scrunchie, and I think that's about it, you guys, because these styles are really easy. So when I wake up in the morning, guys, the first thing I do is, of course, I moisturize my hair. And I don't moisturize my hair all the time. I do use my rose water mix, and also sometimes, depending on, you know, how my hair feels, I will oil them too with my oil. And then after that, if I want to style it, I style it. If not, I just, you know, either, you know, just put it on in the middle or on the side. So those two are like my number one, well, number one and number two to go styles. Like for example, this style, I literally just you know, moisturize my hair. I did my edges a little bit, and then yeah, and then you know, it's a style, you know. And if I want to change it up, so this would be like number one. If I don't want like a side part, because sometimes you get a little bored with the side parts, you know, so sometimes I just do a middle part. It's like, I don't know, I feel like both sides is, you know, it just makes you look a little different. Like it gives your hair a little change, you know. So this will be number two. Like, if you don't want to rock a side style, you can do a middle style, you know. So this is number two. All right, you guys, so the next style that I'm more gravitated towards is literally, I just, you know, just take some hair in the front, a half, it's not really half up, half down, but it kind of is. And then you literally just do this. You guys would have probably seen these styles before, but you just fix it to your liking. So this is one style that I would rock. This is kind of like the half up, half down. You feel me? The next one, you guys, what I usually like to do is I like to get some hair, leave in the front, like with around 4 bangs. Like, I really love this style, you guys. Like, this is probably one of my favorite styles. It just, whatever occasion it is, whether it's like date night or just like going out to brunch or just casually, you just did it just because. You guys, this style is always just, I don't know, it's just something about this style. It's effortless, but at the same time, it's just really, really cute. Let me finish it real quick. Okay, so here you go, you guys. I absolutely love this style. Sometimes this part is a little higher and sometimes I have more hair, but like, you know, every day doesn't look the same, but for the most part, this is how it kind of, you know, comes out. Like, I really love this style, you guys. Like, it's super quick, super easy, but it just looks like it can go with any occasion, and I really love that. All right. Alright, so the next one is kind of similar, but instead of just half up, it's actually a whole ponytail. This one, I would say I do this secondly to the one that I previously just showed you guys. Like this one, I do it mostly like when I'm going to like more of like a formal event, like a, what is it called, like a party, or like a, I don't know, anything formal, like a wedding or something, and I just need something quick. Alright, you guys, so I was gonna do this other style, like, you guys, but I actually never tried this, you guys, and I really like this. It's like a messy bun, but it's elegant. I really like this. Like, this wasn't supposed to be what I was gonna be doing. Like, that wasn't the style I was going for, but you guys, this is really cute. Like, this is really cute. I'm gonna attempt this again another time, when I'm going out. It's like, it was really effortless. And look, I was trying to put everything to the back, but then I tied it in the front instead of the back, and then all the hair came in the front, and then now we have this nice little messy bun going on, like the little bang, y'all. So cute. But anyways, here's this real style that I was gonna show you guys. So this one, it's just normal, a normal ponytail. Let me bring them up a little bit. I like to there you go. And I like to fluff it up just so it can give it a little bit of volume. All right, you guys, so this is another style. I usually do this style too, like when I'm in a hurry, or when I'm going somewhere quick and I don't have time to think of a style. I usually go with this style also. Yeah, you can play around with it and, you know, and see, you know, however you like it. But this is usually how I wear it, honestly. Okay, the last one I'm going to do, that's when I'm like, that style is when I'm like home. I don't want any hair in my face. I just want my hair up. Like, I just don't want anything, you know, I just want my hair up, you know. So how I do it is I literally put my hair back, down. And then from right here, I just do this. And then I just really just do this. And then with this style, you guys, this is mostly when I'm like home. Of course, sometimes I go places with it. If I don't feel like taking out my hair before I go somewhere, I go out with it just like this. It looks a little crazy because, you know, I have a lot of flyaways and stuff, but like, of course, you know, you can play around with it, tug in a lot of the hairs. A lot of the time I just really don't care, so I literally just, you know. But if you want it to look presentable, if you actually want to go out with it and stuff like that, you can. All you have to do is just find ways, just tuck some hair in so that, you know, they're not like flying and stuff. But honestly, you guys, like, I'd be going out just like this. It's like a bun. I'm trying to look at my mirror, guys. It's like a messy bun. So if you want to, you can get another scrunchie. If you're really trying to make it look nice, you can like wrap some of those hairs. And it's hard for me to do these messy buns with my hair because you guys know I have these flyaways, but just, you know, just try to tug them the best you can. It's not gonna be perfect, it's not gonna look perfect. Messy buns are not supposed to be perfect. So if you're, I mean, you can take your time and actually just, you know, do a really nice bun. But with me, when it comes to my buns, like these buns, I just be doing whatever and however it turns out, especially if I'm in a rush. Like if I'm, like for example, about to shower, or if I'm going to sleep, yeah, however the bun looks, that's just however it's going to stay. Like, you know, I'm trying to fix it for you guys, but I don't have my mirror, so it's kind of hard for me to see what I'm doing. These styles, you guys, I rotate them almost like on daily. Like I do them all the time because I just be on the go and I just don't have the time to have my hair polished and, you know, retwist it all the time, or, you know, done all the time. So literally I just be doing these styles all the time, like if I don't want my hair down, you know. So yeah guys, let me know which one was your favorite. Let me know which one you've tried before, which one, you know, is your to-go styles. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you comment down below, and make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you are following my business channel, Naturally Defined. We will be launching in the next few weeks, okay, in the next few weeks. So I'm very excited, so make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.